Mm.
Hi guys, welcome to Providence or Sundries. Come out and enjoy us and have a great time.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of City Eats. So today I got my man Edmund here with me in town, and we're gonna be checking out a little neighborhood bar that was recommended in the inbox, man. So I appreciate it. The bar is called, well, it's actually a bar and a restaurant called Providence Sundries. It's supposed to be an old-time restaurant serving up all kinds of good stuff, man. So let's go ahead, go in, check them out, see what they got.
Oh man, this looks good.
Man, this do look fire. All right, I'm starting out with the chicken chili nachos. This look mad messy too, but I don't even care. I really don't. But you gonna start off with the burger?
Yeah, we just started with this burger.
Look, so what they do is they shred up. You can probably see they shred the chicken for these nachos.
We're gonna try to hold this together.
That looks good. This tastes good.
Go ahead and try this out. Got some avocado in here.
You gonna try to put the whole
Look
thing
at
in your
cheese.
mouth?
The cheese melts like really good in here. Oh man.
Try it out.
Take that first bite.
These nachos are good.
Oh yeah.
I forgot to ask
This is good.
what type of cheese they put in this. It's amazing.
This is a good burger. It's actually really juicy. So they actually make their burger almost like they do a steak.
Is it? It's pretty good.
It's really good, and it's a lot of juice in it.
I don't do hot stuff, but we're gonna try some jalapenos and see how it go.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
All right, so 100%, the nachos gets a thumbs up. This is a must try.
This burger is good. It has a lot of beef in it, and it's still so juicy. They did a really good job with this burger. Go ahead and get into this one. So, we got a Mediterranean bowl here, and they put this in with so much in there. It has like feta cheese. We got sour cream, avocados. We got some really nice olives, tomatoes. This is really good. We're ready to dive in this thing. Oh yeah. Salmon is well seasoned.
All right, so we're gonna try this fajita steak taco. This is amazing. Kind of hard to get that. You got the cheese on these bad boys. I think they use regular sharp cheddar cheese, the tomato, lettuce. This is one you want to try if you come here.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
And just so you don't feel so bad, they send you some broccoli too. The broccoli, I can do without. The steak tacos, fire. All right, guys, I'm down to my last taco. I had the nachos was bomb, the steak tacos was bomb. Edmund had the salmon Mediterranean bowl, and he straight up killed that burger. We're gonna go ahead and finish up our meal, but I'll tell you this much: Providence Road, Sundries, the food here is damn good. And again, man, we're gonna continue to support local business. If you got any other suggestions, hit us up. Let us know. We'll get out there and check them out. Until next time, peace out.